Have you ever wondered how Venus, our closest planetary neighbor, was discovered? Well, the truth is, Venus has always been with us, a constant companion in our journey through time. Its radiant glow made it impossible to miss in the night sky, a fact that did not go unnoticed by our ancestors. Ancient civilizations, including the Greeks, Romans, and Mayans, were all well acquainted with this celestial beacon. Each of them had their own unique interpretations and names for it. The Greeks called it Phosphorus, the bringer of light, while the Romans named it Venus, after their goddess of love and beauty. The Mayans, with their advanced understanding of astronomy, even incorporated Venus into their calendar system. Yet, despite its visibility and the myths that surrounded it, the true nature of Venus remained a mystery. It was only in the age of telescopes that we began to peel back the layers to see beyond its bright facade. Venus's allure has been captivating us for millennia, but it was only in the age of telescopes that we began to unravel its secrets. So what did we find when we started looking at Venus through a lens? Well, the most significant telescopic observations of Venus were made by none other than Galileo Galilei. He discovered that Venus, like our moon, goes through phases. This was a groundbreaking revelation that supported the Copernican theory that the Earth and other planets revolve around the Sun. As our telescopes grew more advanced, we began to notice something extraordinary about Venus's atmosphere. It was thick, incredibly so, and the composition, mostly carbon dioxide, with a dash of nitrogen and just a sprinkle of sulfuric acid clouds. Now, this isn't just a fun fact. The implications of such an atmosphere are profound. You see, carbon dioxide is excellent at trapping heat, leading to what is known as the greenhouse effect. On Venus, this effect is so intense that it makes the planet's surface the hottest in the solar system. Yes, you heard that right. Even though Mercury is closer to the Sun, Venus, with its blanket of carbon dioxide, boasts surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead. But it doesn't stop there. The atmospheric pressure on Venus's surface is about 92 times that of Earth. That's akin to being about 900 meters underwater on Earth. So, if you were to stand on Venus, you'd be crushed, cooked, and corroded. Despite the harsh conditions, Venus continued to fascinate us, prompting further exploration. In the quest to understand Venus better, humanity has sent numerous missions to study it up close. What have we found? The journey to uncover Venus's secrets began in earnest with the Soviet spacecraft Venera 7. Launched in the summer of 1970, it holds the title as the first spacecraft to successfully land on another planet. Venera 7's brief but historic mission provided the first direct data on Venus's surface conditions, including its scorching temperature and crushing atmospheric pressure. Fast forward to the late 20th century, NASA's Magellan mission took Venusian exploration to new heights. Launched in the spring of 1989, Magellan used sophisticated radar to pierce through Venus's thick clouds, mapping an astounding 98% of the planet's surface. This revealed a world of vast plains, towering highlands, and large volcanoes, painting a detailed picture of Venus's geological activity. More recently, the search for life has taken a surprising turn towards our neighboring planet. In the autumn of 2020, scientists detected phosphine, a gas typically associated with biological processes in the Venusian atmosphere. While this does not confirm the existence of life, it certainly raises intriguing questions about the potential for habitability on Venus. These discoveries only scratch the surface of what Venus has to offer, and future missions are set to reveal even more. With each new finding, Venus continues to captivate and challenge us, promising a fascinating future of discovery and exploration. Venus, a planet of extremes and paradoxes, continues to intrigue us, but why? Let's delve into the mysteries that still shroud this celestial body. As we've learned, Venus's discovery set the stage for a fascinating journey of exploration. The revelations brought forth by telescopic observations, from its thick, toxic atmosphere to its cloud-covered surface, only deepened its enigma. The findings from spacecraft missions further painted a picture of a world of fiery temperatures and crushing pressures. Yet Venus continues to perplex us. Why does it spin in the opposite direction to most other planets, a phenomenon known as retrograde rotation? What's the cause of its extreme greenhouse effect, turning it into a veritable furnace? These are but a few of the unsolved puzzles that keep us hooked. As we continue to explore Venus, we inch closer to understanding not only this enigmatic planet, but also the complexities of our own home, Earth.